Today, I'll show you all in one AI filmmaking tool, which allows you to create your own movie from plot to complete story with multiple characters, different locations, etc. Go to FocalML.com and create free account. Here is amount of credits you have. Here is usage dashboard. On the free plan, you have 200 initial credits and you'll get 50 free credits daily. Create new project. There are 3 options. You can just type idea for the story and AI will generate the plot for you. First, you can change language if you want. Describe your story. Add as much details as you want. And start generating. You can stop the process at any time so the plot will be unfinished. You can change story description and regenerate story. Second option is just text area where you can enter your script and use it as is without generating new parts or changing it. Click continue when you're happy with your script. This is project title, which you can change. You have to select visual style of your project. Here are some predefined styles you can choose from. In this tab, gathered all the generated characters, main locations, and objects of your story. You can edit, delete, and regenerate all of them or add new ones. Here are voices from 11 labs for all the characters. By clicking on the character, you'll see its image, name, and description. Change the description so its portrait will be changed too. Location settings look the same. Here is list of available voices for your characters. All the scripts here are divided into chapters. You can set number of chapters, completely regenerate them, and add new chapters, and create project when you are ready. All the previous actions cost me 2 credits as you can see. This is video editing timeline, and here are placeholders for all the chapters. And this blank space is for adding title or credits in some video editor after exporting whole result. Use mouse wheel or these controls to zoom in and out. You can delete any object from the timeline by selecting it and clicking on this button. And don't forget to delete these gaps. Click generate to start visualizing each chapter. Here is editable description of this chapter. Continue if you're happy with it. Prompt above is the command to the generator. Wait for it to be generated. Chapter description turned into set of images and characters, speeches. I accepted this generation, and first chapter placeholder is replaced with generated content. You have to generate all the chapters in this way. You may have noticed that the girl character is different on almost each image in this case. This is first significant disadvantage of Focal, so you have 2 options to keep your character more consistent. You can provide very detailed description of the characters in your script and remind generator to create consistent characters each time you create new image or chapter. Or you can watch my video about consistent video characters and create images separately in some other image generator you prefer. Regenerate images if you don't like them. Or you can change prompt and other adjustments and generate new image so the result will be more predictable. On the left side, you can see different tabs. New scene is for creating images. You can use prompt, select characters and other objects to include in your image. And here is list of available models for image generation. Don't forget that each generation will cost you some amount of credits. New speech, new sound effects, just describe the sound in the prompt area, and new video. And you can upload your own media, of course. I'll add some random image. It appeared in the list of assets. You can drag and drop it at any point of the timeline, or you can click on the image and then animate it here. You can change visual style you initially defined, change or add new voices, character, locations, etc. Chapters. And you can select another aspect ratio, image and video models, etc. Video models list includes Luma, Runway, Minimax, and Kling. And now I'm going to animate my story. After clicking on this animation button, you'll see 3 variations of video prompts. Choose the most relevant one. I regenerated my image, so it's good enough to start animating it. On the free account, you have to convert your chapters into images and then animate them one by one. Paid plan allows you to skip this step and create videos from the chapter description. Generation process consumed a lot of credits I initially had, so I decided to delete these chapters. Now I only have content that already animated. Click on the video and you'll be able to change its duration and speed. And when you are ready, click here to export video. Wait for it to be rendered. It is ready. You can watch it here and save it to your device. Here is the result.
Here goes nothing. Vega, you there?
Always. Maya. Scanning environment. No immediate threats detected.
Incredible.
Unidentified life form detected. Stay cautious.
You and me both, Vega. Let's see where this leads. Whoa.
And maybe you noticed that there is no lip sync option, which is second main disadvantage of Focal. I hope this feature will be integrated in near future. And there is third option how you can create project. You can make it from scratch. But of course, this option is for more advanced users. In this case, you have to upload images or videos or create them here one by one. You can save significant amount of credits if you create images or some part of videos in some other generator.